Hello everyone, hope you're all doing really well. So today I have requested my wife to make something healthy and delicious. Let's see what she makes.
Here is the recipe for a delicious egg and avocado salad toast for breakfast. I'm taking 2 boiled eggs. We are going to add 2 egg white and 1 egg yolk. Since I'm dieting from a month, I'm using more of eggs in my diet because it have protein, which is very helpful for your body and it keeps you full for the whole day. So just cutting the eggs and remove the egg yolk as I mentioned earlier. For mashing the eggs, I'm using the normal fork. This is the easiest way to mash eggs or any food item which is soft. Now I'm taking 1 avocado, cutting it into slice, and it's a little bit hard, maybe not fully ripe. Surprisingly, it's a ripe avocado. Just remove the seed, chop it off. It's up to you and your choice how you would like to eat it. I like to eat little chunky, so I'm slicing it off. And add the chopped onions, which is great in taste. I have taken some parsley, chopping it off too, adding into the material. Next, I have taken 2 garlic cloves. I'm slicing it and chopping it off into small size. Add it into material as well. Now the main ingredient, which is Greek yogurt. I'm using it to make a perfect creamy sauce, which will be giving a good flavorful taste in the avocado and egg salad. I have taken 2 spoons for Greek yogurt. You can add later if the consistency is a little thick, or take the lemon juice to make it more smooth texture. I have taken half lemon to squeeze inside the material. Add some black pepper crushed, some salt in it, and my favorite red crushed pepper. Little bit of fine herbs. It gives an extra flavor. And the magical ingredient, which is honey. Now, since ingredients are ready, let's mix it all the material and make a smooth, yummy texture, which we will add on our toast. This is one of my favorite breakfast. Since I don't know what to eat in morning, I make this avocado egg salad, which I spread on a toast and enjoy with my coffee or my smoothie drink. I have tossed the bread with butter, and now I will spread the texture and material on the bread. This is how you spread the texture material on the bread. You can add as much you like. So some material is still left. I'm just adding a little more red crushed chilies just to give extra flavor. And nearly we are done. Just adding my fresh basil leaf on top of the bread spread just to make it a little vibrant, and this is the garnish part. I'm hungry and my husband too. So here is the dish and recipe. So it's ready. Let's take it to husband and we will see his reaction. To me, it looks perfect. Yes, so your food is ready. Taste and give your feedback.
Number one.
I'm glad that you like your breakfast. To myself, I have made a smoothie which is of cucumbers and pineapple. This recipe is so fresh, healthy, fats and protein. Do try it and let me know your feedback.